The scene opens with a map showcasing the vastness and diversity of Africa. African cuisine is rich and varied, reflecting the continent's diverse cultures and environments. This exploration aims to highlight some of the best recipes from across Africa. The script will delve into 25 selected recipes, showcasing the culinary heritage. Tagine is a traditional North African dish, particularly associated with Moroccan cuisine. The dish's name is derived from the earthenware pot in which it is traditionally cooked. Key ingredients typically include meat, a variety of vegetables, and a blend of aromatic spices. The traditional cooking method involves slow cooking the ingredients in the Tagine pot. This slow cooking process allows the flavors to meld together, resulting in a rich and complex stew. The result is a tender and flavorful stew, characteristic of North African cuisine. Couscous is a staple food in North Africa, widely consumed across the region. It is traditionally made from semolina, the coarse, purified wheat, middlings of durum wheat. The preparation involves steaming the semolina granules until they reach a light and fluffy consistency. Couscous is highly versatile and can be served with a variety of stews, meats, or vegetables. Its adaptability makes it a central component in numerous regional dishes and culinary traditions. Jollof rice is a popular dish in West Africa, known for its vibrant color and rich flavor. The key ingredients include rice, tomatoes, peppers, onions, and a blend of spices. The preparation involves cooking the rice in a flavorful tomato-based sauce. A crucial element is the sokarat, the slightly burnt rice at the bottom of the pot, adding a unique texture and taste. Variations of jollof rice exist across different countries like Nigeria and Ghana, each with its own distinct twist. Fufu is a staple starchy side dish in West African cuisine. It is traditionally made from cassava, yams, or plantains. The traditional method involves pounding the ingredients until a smooth, dough-like consistency is achieved. This pounding process is a significant part of the cultural heritage associated with fufu. Fufu is commonly paired with various soups and stews, complementing the flavors of the main dishes. Egusi soup is a West African dish made primarily from ground melon seeds. The preparation involves blending the egusi seeds into a fine paste or powder. This base is then combined with vegetables such as spinach or bitter leaf and a protein source. Common protein additions include various meats or fish, enhancing the soup's flavor and nutritional profile. Moambe chicken is a dish originating from Central Africa. It is prepared using palm butter as a primary ingredient. Chicken pieces are simmered in the palm butter-based sauce. Various spices are added to enhance the flavor profile. The dish is known for its rich flavor and cultural importance. Saka saka is a dish made primarily from cassava leaves. The cassava leaves are cooked as the initial step. Peanut butter is a key ingredient, adding richness and flavor. Fish or meat is added to the dish. The cooked cassava leaves are combined with peanut butter and either fish or meat. The combination of these ingredients creates the dish known as saka saka. Injera is a spongy flatbread that forms a staple of Ethiopian and Eritrean cuisine. The scene demonstrates the traditional process of making injera from teff flour. Various wats, or stews, are prepared to accompany the injera. The meal features injera served with a selection of flavorful wats. Ugali is a staple food in East Africa, widely consumed across the region. It is primarily made from maize flour, also known as cornmeal. The preparation involves cooking the maize flour with water. The mixture is stirred continuously over heat to prevent burning and lump formation. The cooking process continues until the mixture thickens into a dense porridge-like consistency. The final product, ugali, is a firm, doughy mass that is typically served as an accompaniment to stews or grilled meats. Sukuma wiki is a simple dish originating from East Africa. The primary ingredients are collard greens or kale, providing essential nutrients. It is typically cooked with tomatoes, onions, and a blend of spices for enhanced flavor. Sukuma wiki is known for being both nutritious and affordable. Biltong is a form of air-dried, cured meat originating from South Africa. The preparation of biltong involves a curing process. This curing process preserves the meat and enhances its flavor. Air drying is a key step in biltong production. The air drying process contributes to the unique texture of biltong. Biltong is available in a variety of flavors, catering to different preferences. Bobotie is a spiced, minced meat dish with a distinctive egg-based topping. It is a prominent dish in South African cuisine, enjoyed by many. Bobotie's origins can be traced back to the Malay people. The dish reflects the cultural diversity of South Africa. The spices used in bobotie contribute to its unique flavor profile. The egg-based topping adds a creamy texture and richness to the dish. Chakalaka is a spicy vegetable relish originating from southern Africa. It typically includes ingredients such as beans, tomatoes, onions, and peppers. The relish is known for its flavorful and often fiery taste. Chakalaka is commonly served as a side dish to complement various meals. It can also be used as a condiment to add zest and spice to dishes. Berbere is a distinctive spice blend originating from Ethiopia. The blend is composed of a variety of ingredients, creating a complex flavor profile. Key ingredients typically include chili peppers, providing heat and depth. Garlic and ginger are also essential components, adding aromatic and pungent notes. Additional herbs and spices, such as basil, contribute to Berbere's unique taste and aroma. Ras El Hanout is a complex spice blend originating from North Africa. It is characterized by its diverse range of ingredients. Common ingredients include cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon. The specific composition can vary widely depending on the region and spice merchant. Ras El Hanout is frequently used in traditional North African cuisine. It is a key ingredient in dishes such as tagines and couscous, adding depth and warmth. Bissap is a popular drink in West Africa made from hibiscus flowers. The preparation involves brewing the hibiscus flowers to extract their essence. Sugar is added to sweeten the drink. Spices can be added to enhance the flavor profile of bissap. Rooibos tea is a herbal beverage originating from South Africa. It is derived from the Aspalathus linearis plant, grown primarily in the Cedarburg region. Rooibos tea is known for its potential health benefits, including antioxidant properties. The tea is prepared by fermenting the leaves, which gives it a distinctive reddish-brown color. It can be enjoyed hot or cold and is naturally caffeine-free. Bunny chow is a popular street food originating from South Africa. It consists of a loaf of bread that has been hollowed out. The hollowed-out bread is then filled with curry. Various types of curry can be used as a filling. This dish combines the convenience of bread with the rich flavors of curry. Akara is a popular West African fritter made from black-eyed peas. The preparation involves frying the black-eyed pea mixture until golden brown. The fried fritters are then removed and prepared for serving. Akara is commonly served with a spicy pepper sauce, enhancing its flavor. Koek sisters are a traditional South African pastry. They are made from dough that is first fried until golden brown. The fried dough is then immediately immersed in a cold, flavored syrup. This soaking process allows the pastry to absorb the sweet syrup. The result is a sweet, sticky, and flavorful treat. Koek sisters are a popular dessert enjoyed throughout South Africa. Melktert is a traditional South African dessert. It is characterized by its creamy milk custard filling. The custard is typically set in a pastry crust. Preparation involves making both the custard and the pastry. The custard is carefully poured into the prepared pastry. Finally, the melktert is dusted with cinnamon before serving. Plantains are a staple food in many African countries. They are versatile and can be prepared in various ways. Common cooking methods include frying, boiling, and roasting. Each preparation method yields a unique flavor and texture. Plantains also provide significant nutritional value as a carbohydrate source. Cassava is a root vegetable widely used in various African dishes. It requires specific preparation methods to be safe for consumption. These methods often include peeling, grating, and thorough cooking. Cassava provides essential nutrients, including carbohydrates and some vitamins. It serves as a staple food in many African communities due to its availability and nutritional value. The program concludes with a visual montage. The montage showcases all 25 featured African dishes. This highlights the diversity within African cuisine. Viewers are encouraged to explore and appreciate African food.